Today, we're uncovering the top foods that may be harming your gut health. From sugary treats and processed foods to high-fat dishes and artificial sweeteners, these choices can disrupt digestion and lead to discomfort. Stick around to learn which foods to watch out for and how making smarter choices can promote a happier, healthier gut. Today, we will talk about top foods that hurt your gut health. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Introduction to gut health. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses that inhabit the gastrointestinal tract. These microbes play critical roles in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and the production of vitamins and neurotransmitters. A balanced and diverse gut microbiota is essential for maintaining health, while disturbances in its composition, dysbiosis, have been linked to various health problems, including digestive disorders, autoimmune conditions, and metabolic diseases. Top foods that harm gut health. 1. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods are typically low in fiber and high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Examples include sugary snacks, fast food, packaged baked goods, and most convenience foods. These foods can harm gut health in several ways. Reduced fiber content. Processed foods often lack fiber, which is essential for promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Low fiber diets are associated with a less diverse gut microbiome and increased risk of digestive disorders. Added sugars. Excessive consumption of added sugars can promote the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast in the gut, leading to dysbiosis and inflammation. Sugar-sweetened beverages and desserts are particularly detrimental. Reducing the intake of highly processed foods and opting for whole, unprocessed foods can help support a healthier gut microbiome. 2. Sugary foods and beverages. High intake of sugar, especially added sugars found in sweets, desserts, sugary drinks, and processed foods, can negatively impact gut health. Here's how sugar affects the gut. Increases inflammation. Excess sugar consumption can lead to increased gut permeability, leaky gut, allowing toxins and bacteria to enter the bloodstream and triggering inflammation. Impairs digestive function. Sugar can disrupt the balance of gut hormones involved in appetite regulation and digestion, potentially leading to digestive discomfort and symptoms like bloating and gas. Limiting intake of sugary foods and beverages is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and reducing the risk of gut-related issues. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes that are commonly used as low-calorie alternatives to sugar. While they may help reduce calorie intake, some artificial sweeteners have been shown to negatively impact gut health. Induces glucose intolerance. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt glucose metabolism and contribute to glucose intolerance, which can affect gut health and overall metabolic function. Increases risk of metabolic disorders. Long-term consumption of artificial sweeteners has been associated with an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, which includes obesity, insulin resistance, and dyslipidemia. Opting for natural sweeteners like stevia or moderating intake of sweeteners altogether may be beneficial for gut health. 4. Highly saturated fats. Highly saturated fats, found primarily in fatty cuts of meat, full-fat dairy products, butter, and processed meats, can negatively impact gut health in several ways. Alters gut microbiota. Diets high in saturated fats have been associated with changes in gut microbiota composition, reducing the population of beneficial bacteria. Impairs gut barrier function. Saturated fats can impair the integrity of the gut barrier, leading to increased gut permeability and allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream. 5. Red meat. While lean cuts of red meat can be part of a balanced diet. Excessive consumption of red meat, particularly processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats, may harm gut health. Increases inflammation. Red meat contains compounds like heme iron and saturated fats that can promote inflammation in the gut. Alters gut microbiota. Diets high in red meat have been associated with changes in gut microbiota composition, potentially reducing the diversity of beneficial bacteria. Formation of harmful compounds. Cooking red meat at high temperatures, grilling, frying, can lead to the formation of compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which may be harmful to gut health. Moderating intake of red meat and opting for lean cuts or plant-based protein sources can help mitigate potential negative effects on gut health. 6. Gluten-containing foods for some individuals. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. While gluten itself is not harmful to most people, individuals with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity may experience adverse effects on gut health. For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, eliminating gluten-containing foods from the diet is necessary to support gut healing and overall health. 7. Lack of dietary diversity. A diet that lacks diversity, with limited variety in food choices and nutrients, can negatively impact gut health. Reduces microbial diversity. Consuming a narrow range of foods limits the diversity of gut microbiota, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut environment. Impairs nutrient intake. A limited diet may result in inadequate intake of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are necessary for optimal gut function. Increases susceptibility to gut disorders. Poor dietary diversity has been associated with an increased risk of gut-related disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, including a wide range of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, promotes gut microbial diversity and supports overall gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall well-being, and diet plays a significant role in supporting gut health. While certain foods can promote a healthy gut environment, others can harm gut health by promoting inflammation, disrupting gut microbiota, and impairing digestive function. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.